Looking for shower or wet room installation in St. Albert? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how crucial it is to have a bathroom that is both stylish and functional. Our shower or wet room installation services offer tailored solutions that combine elegance with durability. Whether you're upgrading for convenience, safety, or style, we guarantee expert craftsmanship and superior waterproofing. In St. Albert, our experienced team provides fast, reliable installations using high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting performance. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for shower or wet room installation in St. Albert.